So ITV uses BankSense all day, every day. It's the first thing we do when we come in the morning. We have our front office treasurers who will just go in and get a quick snapshot of the position for the day, and then you have the members of the team that are managing the cash in more detail, so they'll drill down by bank level, by currency level, and then straight into the statements and the current day position to see what payments are in flight. We then add our forecast for the day, which is just a quick upload, and then we know exactly what our needs are. And because we have MT942s coming in throughout the day, that position's updated. So it's a real fundamental part of managing the cash in the UK, and that's something that we want to then expand to the rest of the group to make it our core system for managing the group internationally as well. So BankSense can help us achieve visibility across multiple regions by linking in all of our banks via MT940s, so all of the banks will send daily statements. From that we can see all of the movements. We can then group bank accounts by bank, by currency, but they can also be tagged by account type. So it just gives us a real snapshot of where the cash is and what it's needed for. So just being able to add accounts to multiple tags or single tags, that's a real key feature for us. And it helps us to understand where cash is and where the bottlenecks are, and it's actually the basis now for a global cash management project that we're kicking off, and this is the key to us being able to unlock all that data. So currently it's just the UK team using BankSense, but we're looking to roll this out internationally, and particularly with GDPR coming in, there are a number of requirements to mask certain data. There's a masking solution within BankSense that can hide certain types of data. So for instance, we could have somebody in Germany who can only see their German accounts, but if the group wanted to see those particular accounts, they may have some sensitive data in there. So we could see the statements at group level, but with transaction detail missing. So that's something that we're looking to roll out. So that means that we can get more of our entities using it and get more and more benefits in the future. So the dashboard, that's not just only going to tell us how much cash we have, it will also tell us how many bank accounts we have, how many accounts aren't being used, so that would help with us being more efficient in closing accounts down. If we haven't had an MT940, if something's missing, there should be lots more alerts on that dashboard, which again would make us a much more efficient Treasury team. So the impact that BankSense has had on the Treasury team it's a significant change. By using BankSense to manage the cash position, it's literally taking 10 minutes versus a couple of hours. So it means that we can concentrate on the finer detail and making things more efficient, not just looking at a real high level cash management. Working with AccessPay on the BankSense product has been really refreshing because we've been working as a partnership. We were one of the early adopters for the solution, so we've been able to give our input daily almost into how we're using the product and any changes that we'd like to see. We're working really closely with Winston and his team to develop and get the best out of the system, and at the moment nothing seems too much trouble for them.